Okay, here are 5 things you can do right now to make your house look more expensive and a bit more like interior designed. I'm sitting in my car in New York waiting for the street cleaners so I don't get a ticket, and I brought my baby mic so I could do a TikTok video. Let's go. Number 1 is to layer your rugs. When I worked for Ralph Lauren, this was kind of like a prerequisite. We had to do this in all of the stores that we designed. It adds texture, dimension, and makes your house just look a bit more curated. I don't love when they're super symmetrical like that last picture. I like them a little uneven like this or on an angle. Number 2, replace the boob light. Nadine Stay did this great little kind of gallery of all the different options you have to replace your boob light. Just search for flush mount or semi-flush mount lighting. And if you're a renter, take down the boob, put up your light, and replace it before you leave. Number 3 is a great set of Roman shades. I did this in my house upstate. I found them on Wayfair. They were super affordable, but it's perfect for a room with a shorter ceiling or a window that isn't super dramatic. Number 4 is to mix up the textures in your living spaces. This is a designer favorite, so vintage, leather, wood, concrete. You want that look that's like, oh, nothing to see here, just this like vintage 1800s milk bowl. And last but not least, mix up your frames. These certainly shouldn't match. If you want that kind of curated designer look, try mixing in vintage, wood, black gallery frame. And I even like throwing an object into the mix to make it feel really special. I'm gonna keep waiting for the street cleaner and follow for more.